YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to present on the topic how to frame tag questions. A tag question is a question added at the end of a sentence. There are two important structures for tag questions. Structure number 1, positive sentence plus negative tag. Look at this example. George is here plus isn't he? George is here, positive sentence. Isn't he? Negative tag. George is here. Isn't he? You can see two changes to frame tag question. Number 1, auxiliary verb is converted to isn't. Number 2, subject George is converted to he. Structure number 2, negative sentence plus positive tag. Look at this example. George isn't here. Negative sentence. Plus is he. Positive tag. George isn't here. Is he? You can see two changes to frame tag question. Number 1, auxiliary verb isn't is converted to is. Number 2, subject George is converted to he. Now let me give you two important conditions for using tag questions. Condition number 1. If the statement is in simple present tense, then you have to add do or does in the tag question. Look at these examples. Number 1, Alan attends the class regularly. Number 2, they attend the class regularly. Here we need to change attends to doesn't. Attend to don't. There is a do verb inside attend. Do verb inside attend is do. Do verb inside attends is does. The structure for two sentences, positive statement plus negative tag. Alan attends the class regularly. Doesn't he? They attend the class regularly. Don't they? You can see two changes in the first sentence. Number 1, attends is converted to doesn't. Number 2, Alan, the subject, is converted to he. In the second sentence, you can see attend is converted to don't. The subject they is they. Condition number 2. If the statement is simple past, then we have to add did in the tag question. Look at this example. We enjoyed the trip very much. Here we need to convert enjoyed to didn't. Do verb inside enjoy is do. Do verb inside enjoyed is did. The structure positive statement plus negative tag. We enjoyed the trip very much. Positive statement plus didn't we? Negative tag. We enjoyed the trip very much, didn't we? Let me give you more examples for tag questions. Number 1. You are a student, aren't you? Number 2. The neighbors like us, don't they? Number 3. You live in France, don't you? Number 4. They played cricket, didn't they? Number 5. The story tries to relate history to science, doesn't it? Number 6. This or that is your bag, isn't it? The tag pronoun for this or that is it. Number 7. These or those or yours, aren't they? The tag pronoun for these or those is they. Number 8. There is a meeting tonight, isn't there? In the sentence, the structure is there plus be. Then there is used in the tag. Number 9. Everything is okay, isn't it? The tag pronoun for everything is it. Number 10. Everyone took the test, didn't they? Here, they is used. They is usually used in a tag to refer to everyone, everybody, someone, somebody, no one, nobody. Number 11. Nothing is wrong, is it? Number 12. Nobody called on the phone, did they? Number 13. You have never been there, have you? You can see 3 sentences, 11, 12, 13, with negative words, which take positive tags. Number 14. I'm supposed to be here, am I not? Am I not is formal English. 15. I'm supposed to be here, aren't I? Here, aren't I is common in spoken English. I hope you have understood how to frame tag questions. For more examples and details, you can check the description. Thank you very much for watching.